Morning, Steve Lentini, Lord and Lentini, Training for Life, and the best getting better. I'm also a certified John Maxwell coach and trainer and public speaker. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about this week was living from intention. So intention is setting the picture in your mind of an outcome, an intended outcome. There's actually books about it. The Intention Experiment is a good one if you want to read it. Go to Amazon, you'll find it on there. But in the meantime, in this video, we're going to talk about living from intention. So you set the intention in your mind about the outcome. And then you make sure, too, to let it go, to surrender to something. This or something better is what you say in your mind. You can picture the outcome. Use the picturing power of the mind. Einstein said the imagination is limitless. And who knew better than Einstein? He was looking at the origins of the universe. And that's where he understood that we're one with that limitless power. We're one with the power that flung the stars into space. Think about that. Right? Most people live this limitless victim life, right? And they don't trust anybody. They have excuses for the reason why their life doesn't work, and they make those around them small, and often they make those around them wrong. And the reason I put my hands up to my mouth is because it's small-minded thinking. Anything that's limited, that's like the acorn brain, the small brain, right? It's an acorn. Within the acorn is a possible oak tree. But if you have limited thinking, and it's my, and you make everyone else wrong, you don't trust people, you have a story in your head that you gather evidence about other people, you're living a small life. You're living a limited life. And you're not living from intention. So set the intention of the outcome you want. Picture it in your mind. Use that visualization power that you have. And then last but not least, you let it go by saying this or something better, because you're not the one who flung the stars into space. You're one with that power. You are not that power. And so what you do is you let go of the outcome for the opportunity and the possibility that something better is in there. I've often coached people about that. I had a guy tell me he wanted to be CEO of his company, and I said, okay, but you got a CEO, so let's say this or something better, because you can't intend for something that involves the outcome of other people's lives. You only have control over your life. So you intend for an outcome of a meeting, an outcome of a stock price, an outcome of a board meeting. You intend the outcome of a relationship, that divine order is active. Divine order prevails in this situation, that this or something better. But also intend an outcome. Picture it, visualize it, and remember, don't listen to that little brain that tells you that you can't have that. And who are you to think that? That's small-minded thinking. And if you're involved in judging others and thinking about having a victim status in your life, or you don't trust people, you're living in a small world instead of venturing out and making your intentions known, and also making who you are known to people, right? You can say to people, hey, I don't trust you, let's talk, I want to fix something. But instead, most people hold it in, and it becomes the reason they don't like someone, and they make others wrong, and that's small-minded. So break out of the acorn, become that oak tree, break out into the limitless, live from intention. Intend how you want the day to be, the meeting to be, the next moment to be. See what happens, as long as you're willing to say this or something better. Thanks.